got him to eat healthy foods like pellets and this apple, along with carrots and grapes and blueberries and raspberries, and that's about it. Oh, and sprouted seeds. I got him to eat this by making part of it look like the white part of a sprouted seed. I tricked him into eating it, and he ate it, and he hasn't stopped eating them since. I will show you how I got him to eat sprouted seeds and all the other fruits and the carrot and pellets, of course. So, what you'll need is your bird in an area where there's no other food or distractions. And, of course, the food that you want to give them. Now, Clicky already likes this stuff, but he's afraid of the bigger ones. So I am going to show you the bigger one. Him with the bigger one. I think he eats this. No, he just eats the yogurt off of it. Here you go. It's papaya with mango flavored yogurt. So, remove all food and offer the new food. If your bird doesn't go straight for it like Clicky just did, what you could do is put it down and just fool around with it with your finger, and they will eventually, they think when you point your finger at them like this, they think it's another bird. They think it's a beak of another bird, and they decide to attack your finger. So, if they, if they think your finger is another beak, which your bird probably does, then that is good. Just never put your finger at them. And use that to get them to eat new foods. See, he likes the yogurt and not the papaya. So just fool around with it with the tip of your finger, and they will eventually see it, get curious. They think it's another bird eating some food. They think they know that if another bird is eating it, then they should eat it too, and they will eat it. That is my technique in how I got Clicky and Featherweight, my dead bird, and Cassie. And I gotta tell you one new thing before she died, unfortunately. That is how I got 3 birds to eat new food, new and healthy foods, in less than an hour.